hope you're all well. As seen from the title, we are reviewing some of the Revolution XX Revolution. Basically a brand new brand for Makeup Revolution. So I got quite a few products, as you see on my table. I got quite a few Revolution products. I'm thinking to do separate reviews for each because otherwise one video would be just far too long and it wouldn't be like proper in-depth review. So I'm just gonna do quick separate videos and proper in-depth wear tests and all. So this video, I think I'm just gonna start from like base. So I got this quick fix mattifying primer. What I like already is it's cruelty-free and vegan, as Makeup Revolution is. Packaging is like straightforward, simple, has this excess on because it's XX Revolution. So apparently it's supposed to be makeup that is good for your skin, as long as I understand. That's their new motto, that's why they created this brand. What I noticed though, that XX Revolution is a bit pricier than a Revolution itself. So I think without any further ado, let's open this up and see what we got. It's brand new, I haven't opened, haven't tested, have no idea if it's any good or no, not. Oh, I like this silver packaging. It says that it has witch hazel and pink clay, which is perfect instant retouch for perfect matte base. We love it. If you follow my channel, I'm sure you guys know because I mentioned this constantly. I have super oily skin, problematic, you know, breakouts and all, yeah, you name it, I have it. I love that it says that it's mattifying. I always look for mattifying products, but sometimes even with the primers, it tends to dry a bit skin, too much on the dry side, so kind of gets even flaky, and that's a no-no. You know, we don't want the flaky skin, we want like a nicely glowing skin, not oily, but glowing, if that makes any sense. So instant retouch for perfect matte base, universal tone, reduces shine and smooths skin. Love this already. Smooth skin. You know, if you have problematic skin or if you have oily skin for a matter, I'm sure you have big pores, so anything that would smooth skin, you want that for your base and mattifying. So yeah, reduce shine, smooth skin whilst holding makeup in place. And it has witch hazel and pink clay, both ingredients known for helping fight against acne. If you would check any products that would be like for problematic oily skin, you know, like acne prone skin, it will have all witch hazel or pink clay because it's just so good for skin. And the fact that this has that, so it means it's not gonna only work as a primer, making your skin surface look more equal and not as bumpy, and keep your foundation matte for all the day and keep your makeup in place. It's also gonna help to heal your skin, as long as I understand. That's why maybe they say skin XX makeup, like the company's motto. So basically the makeup that is better for your skin. I think without any further ado, let's just jump in straight to that. Oh, I love it. It has a little pump. So the tube itself is like a squeezable, like, you know, your toothpaste tube would be. But then it has this little pump, which is quite handy, I think. Okay, I thought it's gonna be clear, but it has this like peachy color to it. I don't think it has any smell. I'm getting like mixed up because I literally just applied the hand cream private. I shouldn't, so I would know it has smell, but I can't smell anything on the side, so I guess it has no smell whatsoever. Okay, let's try on the face. I don't have any makeup whatsoever, as you can see. I just applied some brow pencil on, like brow product. You guys. Yeah, it does have smell. I thought it's my hand cream, but it does have smell. But it smells very nice. It smells very light, if that's a description for a smell. It smells lovely. It's a pleasant smell. This primer feels lovely. You guys. Oh, shame I didn't do zoom in of my skin prior putting this on, because now, wow. I'm not sure if this translates through camera lens. It feels like I have some kind of filter on my skin now. Like, it's super smooth. There's no like bumps, you know. I still have a bit of a breakouts going on in here, but if I do this, I can't feel it. It kind of fill in the gaps and made my skin surface super equal. Wow, you guys. And it's not greasy on the skin or anything like that. Some primers, when you apply, especially like silicone-based primers, it does tend to feel a bit like greasy on the skin. It has this layer, if that makes any sense. But this doesn't feel greasy at all. It kind of sinks into the skin. It's mattifying, but it doesn't feel drying in any way. I'm very pleasantly surprised. Like, if only you can feel my skin. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go and apply the foundation, and we'll see how the primer looks underneath the foundation, because with some primers kind of tends to not even crumble. Like, if you would do this, you can feel a bit like a greasiness, or like if we move, it's supposed to keep your makeup in place, but it tends to that makes any sense. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it tends to move on your skin, which is a no-no, especially if you have oily skin and you already, you know, struggling to keep your makeup in place. But this, you guys, feels amazing. Like, I'm shook. I'm looking in the mirror. I have a mirror in front of me and I'm like, wow, kinda gave my skin like a filter, like invisible real life filter. Okay, I'm gonna apply foundation and then I'll come back to you to see how it looks under foundation. Be back soon. And I'm back. So this is a finished look. I have foundation, setting powder, some powder contour, highlighter, and that's it. I didn't do anything with my eyes because I wanted to be about the complexion and not, you know, eye makeup, so I didn't want to draw your eyes to my eyes. So this primer by XX Revolution, love it. Absolutely love it. I feel like even foundation looks different just because of this primer. I mean, it kind of made my pores blur, my skin surface looks super equal after applying that. I'm sure you guys seen it for yourselves when I just applied it. Even like this, you can't really see bumps because I have some breakouts here. You can't really see that. It kind of made my skin surface super equal. I don't know how it works, but it works wonders. So this is gonna be my definitely a go-to primer. I have quite a lot of primers from Revolution in general, like Revolution Pro and Makeup Revolution, and now this coming to my collection. I have quite a few primers that I really love, like I've been purchasing and repurchasing when I finish it. I think this is a very strong contender for those primers that I keep purchasing because it works. Like, you guys see it for yourself. This works. Love it. Love it. Will definitely be wearing. It looks amazing under the foundation. Like I was saying, maybe foundation would crumble or anything because it happened for me in the past with some primers. It was just like a disaster. Like foundation wouldn't stick on it. It kind of would glide around. Like, yeah, nothing like this happened with this primer. Absolutely love this. Thumbs up from me. I'm always super honest with my reviews, by the way. This is not sponsored by Revolution. Love it. Love it has hazel and pink clay. That means it's so good for your skin. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, you guys.